3 hot tips Amazon KDP beginners need to do to make sales in 2024 on Amazon KDP. Make sure you save this video to come back to it later on. Let's get on with it. On the third place is publishing in relevant categories and choosing the correct keywords for your books. If your book is not properly categorized or doesn't use relevant keywords, it might not appear in relevant searches. People in that particular category are not looking for your book, so they will just pass it and it will just disappear in the rankings. The second hot tip Amazon KDP beginners need to do to make sales on Amazon KDP in 2024 is quality over quantity. From the KDP content to the book cover. The book cover is going to attract customers to buy your book. And when they buy, the quality of the content is good, you're going to get positive reviews. And this will lead to more sales and higher in rankings. If you're finding this video on Amazon KDP Beginners Tips useful, make sure you give it a like, share it with somebody who needs to know, and give me a follow to get more tips on Amazon KDP self-publishing. And the first hot tip Amazon KDP beginners needs to do to make sales in 2024 is publishing in low competition, high demand niches. Publishing in highly competitive, saturated niches, your book is just going to disappear and nobody is going to find your book. Perform a good niche and category research and your book will be found and you'll make more sales.